Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Python and run on Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. Make sure you watch the video till the end to avoid making any mistake. And chalo, let's start the video. Before installing Python, let's check whether Python was installed earlier or not. For that, go to search bar and type cmd and open the command prompt. Here I'll type Python version Python not found. This shows that Python was not installed earlier. So let's start installing. Go to your browser and type Python. Click on the first link. Go to downloads and click here and the download will be started. Click on this to open the Python setup. Check both these options and click on customize installation. Leave this window as it is. Click on next and check all these options. This is your customize install location. If you want to customize your installation location, then you can do it from here. I'll leave it as it is. Then click on install.
A few moments later.
Now click close and let's check whether Python is installed properly or not. Click on window and over all and search for Python. Click here and let's type some simple codes. This shows that Python was installed successfully and working properly. Now let's set up our Visual Studio Code for Python. Open Visual Studio Code. Now we have to install two extensions for Python. One is Python and the second one is Code Runner. Let's go to extension and search for Python and install the one provided by Microsoft.
A few moments later.
Once done, search for Code Runner. Click install. Before writing your codes, we have to set up a Visual Studio Code. Go to settings and search for run in terminal. If you haven't checked this checkbox, then check it. Only then you will be able to accept the inputs from the users. So let's start our programming. Close this. Let's open folder and let's create a new folder and name it as test. Create a new file and name it as hello.py since it is Python programming. Let's write a simple program. It's running perfectly. This output shows that Python was successfully installed and it's working properly on Visual Studio Code. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your doubt. From the next video onwards, I'll be teaching Python from scratch. Until then, bye bye.